Assalamu alaikum to all the students. Good morning to you all. It is our English literature class today, and I'm your English teacher Sidra. Today we are having literature lecture, and we are going to start. This is our lecture number 21 of literature, and this is lesson number 9 from your book, David Copperfield, and the lesson name is My Love for Dora. As you all know that we all have completed 8 lessons. The last one was Emily Leaves Home. Okay, we have completed the explanation plus its written work also. So we are going to start lecture number 21, My Love for Dora, lesson number 9 today. I hope you all are having your books. Everybody, please open your book so that we can start the lecture. Okay, I want you all to open the book, page number 57, lesson number 9, My Love for Dora. And I want everybody to be very careful, to be very attentive during the reading and explanation. And I will make you read the lesson yourself. Okay, I am not going to read the lesson, you will be reading. Okay, I will listen here and you will be reading one by one. I'll call the student's name and you all will be reading. Then I'll be explaining the lesson. I'm giving you some seconds to open your books, page number 56. I hope you all are having your proper bag with yourself, your copies, your stationery, so that we can start the written work also after completing the explanation of first chapter, which is a gain and a loss. Okay, we will first explain as we used to do in our physical classes. Similarly, we will be having the explanation first of the particular lesson, and then we will be having the written work. We will start from words meaning and word sentences, and it will be continued. Page number 56. I hope you all have opened. Yes, Anam Zafar, can you please read the first paragraph loudly so that everybody can hear and be attentive? Yes, Anam Zafar, can you please unmute the mic? Okay, chale Aisha Hassan, you start the reading. Okay, because we don't have so much time to waste. Yes, Aisha Hassan, start reading very
My
proper.
love for
Yes, listen to
my
me.
love for Dora.
My Love for Dora,
Again,
lesson number 9,
again,
lesson name and chapter name. Then you have to speak and read very properly and very carefully. Yes, start.
again, and a loss. All this time I loved Dora more and more. Mr. Spenlow told me that it was Dora's birthday in a week's time. He wanted me to come for a little picnic that day. I think I did everything possible to prepare for this event. At 6 in the morning, I went to the market to buy flowers for Dora in my brightly polished new boots. At 10 o'clock, I was riding a fine grey horse to Mr. Spenlow's house. When I arrived, I walked in my uncomfortable boots across the garden to Dora. She was sitting under a tree. What a perfect picture she made, surrounded by birds and flowers in a dress as blue as the sky.
Stop,
Oh,
stop,
thank you.
stop. Okay, now first we will be having the explanation of that particular 2 3 paragraphs which Aisha has read. Okay, first of all, the chapter name is Again and a Loss. Okay, we will be knowing in this chapter that Mr. Spencer invites David on Dora's birthday. Okay, as we came to know that in the first paragraph there is a birthday of Dora and Mr. Spenlow has invited David to the party. He wanted me to come for a little picnic that day. Okay, the picnic was arranged at the the birthday party was arranged at the picnic spot. So it was just like a picnic, and Mr. Spenlow wants David to come over there and to have enjoyment, have the gathering, okay, at the picnic spot. Then a good news for David will be over there, okay, when we will be continuing this chapter. David expressed his feeling for Dora as he loves Dora very much. So he showed his feeling in this chapter, and Dora and David decided to get married. They both have decided that they will be getting married. Okay. Yes, in the first three paragraphs which Aisha has read, come to the second that I think I did everything possible to prepare for this event. Okay, he had already decided that what I have to do, and I have to look very nice and very presentable in front of Dora, so that she should be impressed by me also. At 6 in the morning, I went to the market to buy flowers for Dora in my brightly polished new boots. At 10 o'clock, I was riding a fine grey horse to Mr. Spenlow's house. It is all about David. When he arrived, he walked in his uncomfortable boots across the garden to Dora. She was sitting under a tree and she was making a picture, and she was in a blue dress. Okay? Yes. Who will next be reading? Safa Shahid, you should start the reading. Yes, Safa, can you start reading? Yes.
I walked in my uncomfortable boots
No, no,
across
no,
the
no,
garden to
no.
Dora.
Next para, line number 15.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Copperfield. What lovely flowers, said Dora. You will be glad to hear that this Murdstone is not here. Isn't that good news? I said I was sure it
Wait,
must be
Safa.
good news.
Wait. Take a little pause after reading 2 3 lines or one para. Okay, now here what has done, when David handed over the flower bouquet to Dora, she was very happy and excited, and what did she said? Oh, thank you, Mr. Copperfield, what a lovely flower bouquet it was. Okay, you will be glad to hear that Miss Murdstone, who is the sister of David's stepfather. Okay, so she was always annoying for him, so that's why Dora said to David that Miss Murdstone is absent today. It isn't that good news for you? Okay, this is the good news for David. Yes, Safa, continue. Safa.
I said I was sure. I said I was sure it must be good news to hear her, and I added that all that was good news to her was good news to me.
Yes, what
Mrs.
did David say? That whatever is good news for you, it is a good news for me also. Yes, continue.
Mrs. Sanders came out of the house and we were ready to set out for the picnic.
Yes,
I
now
shall
Mr.
never
Spenlow came
enjoy.
out from the house. He came out from his house, and they all were ready to go for the picnic, as they have all gathered at the house of Mr. Spenlow. Then they started going from there to the picnic spot. Yes.
I shall never enjoy a ride like that again. There was a great deal of dust, I believe, but I did not see it. I saw only Dora's beauty and fed on my love for her. I could think of nothing and no one but Dora.
Yes, stop, stop. Now, what is he saying here? That I shall never enjoy a ride like that again. Means in future also I will not be having the same enjoyable ride as it was, because Dora is in front of me and I was like watching nothing but Dora only, because she was in front of me. I was very much excited to travel with her, and I was very excited to attend her birthday party at a picnic spot. वो उसके लिए वो ride, वो excitement, it was just behind all everything and all the scenes. Like during traveling, he was looking outside the window, but all the scenes, all the things were just useless for him. But to see at Dora, it was very excited and enjoyable for David. Okay, now Sheroz, can you start reading where Safa Shahid has left? Yes, Sheroz.
Even now, I do not know where we went. I remember a green place on a hill with soft grass. There were shady trees and a wonderful view. I was weak with joy. Dora sang, though others praised her. I thought she sang only for me. We had tea, and in the evening, I was happier. I was as happy as ever.
As ever, just wait. Okay, now even now I do not know where we went. Means he didn't know that where we are going, or हम कहाँ पहुँचे. But the place was like, it was a green place on a hill with soft grass. There were shady trees also, and a wonderful view around him. He was weak with joy means he was very much excited and he didn't know how to control his emotions. Meaning when we are very excited and when we are very much in tension, so we become weak. With happiness, he became weak. That's why he's saying that I was weak with joy. Dora started singing. Everybody praised her, but he was just thinking, David was just thinking that Dora is just singing for me. Okay? Yes, now continue, Sharoz. Yes, Sharoz. Ji, continue.
Yes, till when the party ended and everyone else went away and I could ride back with the Spenlows to their house. Mr. Spenlow invited me to rest and eat before returning to London.
Yes, wait. Now he was, after ending the party was over, but he was still happier at that time because Mr. Spenlow invited him to take rest and to eat before returning to London, before going to his own house. Mr. Spenlow has invited him that you have came at the picnic spot with us, so you will be going to my house with ourselves, and then we will be having some rest over there, and then you can go to your own house. Okay, now Vanya, can you start reading please? Yes, yes, Vanya, start.
When I woke up next morning in London, I decided to tell Dora how much I loved her. If I did this, I would find out whether she loved me too, and so I went back again to Spenlow's house.
Yes, wait, wait. Now, in the next morning, when he came back to his house after the birthday party and having rest at the house of Mr. Spenlow, he went back to London to his own house, and he has decided in the next morning that he will express his love to Dora, and in this way, he will be knowing about Dora's feeling for him. Yes, continue.
For this purpose, I was dressed in expensive clothes. Dora was painting when I arrived. I hope your poor horse was not tired when he got home last night, said Dora. She looked at me with her beautiful eyes. I was a long way for him.
Yes, now what she's saying that we had enjoyed at the party because we are the human beings. Okay, we had enjoyed the birthday party, but for horse it was a long way as he would be feeling tired. Okay, Dora is now saying to David, obviously when we will be meeting somebody, so we have to start some chit chat. Okay, उससे कुछ ना कुछ बातें तो करनी होती ना. We ask to their routines. We ask to what are going around yourself and whatever we are having surrounding. So Dora was asking to David that your horse, I hope he was not feeling tired as he had a long way to go, long way to come in the party, and it was a long way for him क्योंकि वो horse के लिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा रास्ता था because he hasn't got horse hasn't got any enjoyment okay to cover that distance. Yes, continue.
It was a long way for him, I agreed. He had nothing to delight him on the journey.
Exactly
I
what I told
began to
you
think.
that it was a delightful distance, it was a delightful journey for David because he was coming to meet Dora. Okay, but it was not excited and delighted for the horse because he is an animal, he cannot be excited and he cannot think like David. Yes.
I began to think I would ask her today. Wasn't he fed? Poor thing, said Dora. I began to think I would not ask her until tomorrow.
Yes,
Yes,
stop, stop, stop. I began to think I would ask her today, okay? Wasn't he fed? Poor thing, said Dora. I began to think I would not ask her until tomorrow. First, he thought that he would be asking to Dora, and after some time, he thought that no, I should ask, yeah, I would ask her until tomorrow. मैं उससे कल पूछूंगा. I will be not talking to her today. Yes, Sumaya, start reading now. Yes, Sumaya. Line number 21, page number 57. Sumaya, are you there? Okay, Ramla, are you there? Can you start reading?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes, I said, I mean, he did not have the great happiness I had if I was near you. I don't know why you should call it happiness, said Dora. But of course, you don't mean what you say.
Yes, what he is saying that, yes, I said, I mean, he did not have the great happiness I had. Means David is saying to Dora that obviously horse will not be having the same great happiness as I had. जितना खुश मैं था उतना ज़्यादा खुश हॉर्स तो नहीं हो सकता because I was near you, because he was near to Dora. वो उसके करीब था, उसके पास था या उसकी बर्थडे पार्टी को अटेंड कर रहा था. That's why he was very much happy. But horse obviously he is an animal, so he will not be happy. And what he is saying that I don't know why you should call it happiness. Now Dora is saying that after attending my birthday party or to be with me in the party, why you are calling it a happiness? But of course you don't mean what you say. Yes, continue, Ramla.
I don't know how I did it. I did it in a moment. I held Dora in my arms without hesitating. I made a fine speech. I told her how I loved her. I told her I should die without her.
Now, in this paragraph, David had told that he had expressed his love in front of Dora. He didn't know, he didn't expect that how easily he can express, but he had done that task, what he had decided. Okay, जो उसने सोचा हुआ था कि I will express my love today in front of Dora, he had done that and he had told that I should die without you if you will not be getting my life partner, or if we are not getting married, so I will not be living, or I will I will die. Yes, Nusaiba, can you read? Nusaiba, can you start reading? Yes. Page number 58. Nusaiba, are you there? Can you start reading? Okay, Halima, you should start the reading. Page number 58.
Dora bent her head and cried and trembled. I expressed my feelings even more strongly. I had loved her every minute, day and night since I first saw her. I always would love her. Lovers had loved before, and lovers would love again. But no lover had ever loved as much I loved. A little later, Dora and I was sitting quietly beside each other. We were going to be married.
Yes. Now what he is saying that Dora bent her head and cried also. She was trembling, she was shivering. He expressed his feelings even more strongly. Okay? And and he said that I had loved her every minute. David said that he loved her every minute, day and night, since he first saw her. And he said that maybe lovers had loved before, okay, in the past also so many love stories are there. In the future also there would be so many people will be loving to each other, but nobody will love like me as I love Dora. And what was the last paragraph? A little later, Dora and I were sitting quietly beside each other. They sat beside each other quietly, and we were going to be married. They have decided that they will be going to be married in future. Now I want you all to stop here reading an explanation. Okay, I will ask some questions first, then we will start written work in the comments. First, I want to ask question with Abiha. Abiha, can you reply me for question number 1? Unmute yourself and then give me the reply of question number 1. Are you all there? Abhihanis. She is not there, I think. Afra, can you reply me for question number 1? Afra? Or you people can write in the chat also if you want. If you don't have mic, okay? So you can you can write your answers in the chat box also. Okay, Abhiha, you should reply me for question number 1, okay? And Afra, you will reply me for question number 2. Can you unmute your mic? Afra, can you unmute your mic to reply me for question number 2? She is not there, I think. Alina Farooq, can you? Question number 2. Okay, Zainab, you should reply me for question number 2. Zainab, can you reply me for question number 2? Why you people are not unmuting your mic and giving me the replies? Yes, Muhammad Ali. Question number 3. Muhammad Ali, you will reply me for question number 3, not 2. Yes, Muhammad Ali, reply me for question number 3. Where was the party arranged?
The party was arranged on Mr. Spenlow's house.
No, the party was arranged at the picnic spot. Muhammad Ali, where are you? Okay, the party was arranged at the picnic spot, not at the house of Mr. Spenlow. They gathered at Mr. Spenlow's house, but they went to the picnic spot from there. It was a green place, okay. Hills were there and the atmosphere was very nice, okay. It was the answer. Yes, Afra. Okay, fine. Yes, I am receiving your all answers from here. Okay. Now, Abdullah Ishtiaq, can you give me the reply for question number 4? How did David express his feelings to Dora? Oh, sorry, Abdullah Ishtiaq. Abdullah, are you here? Who else can reply me in the mic? I want you to speak in mic so that everybody can listen. I want question number 4. हाँ Shahroz, I know you can. अच्छा चले, okay, fine. Yes, Shahroz, you should reply me for question number 4. How did David express his feeling to Dora?
Miss David expressed her feeling to Dora by holding,
Not
by
her,
simply
his
holding
feelings
Dora
to
in a,
Dora.
simply holding
हाँ.
Dora's arm and making a fine speech that he loved her and he would die without her.
Yes, very nice, very good. Very complete answer it is. Yes, who will give me the reply of question number 5? Yes, Halima. Yes, what was Dora doing when David arrived? Yes.
Dora was painting when David arrived.
Yes, at the picnic spot. Yes, very nice. Okay. Acha, I'll receive your answer. I will see your answer little later, okay, from the chat box. Now we should start written work. Take out your copies first. Open your index page. Okay, everybody open your index page. Write down the index with the serial numbers. Okay, serial number will be here. Date. Today is 18. Okay, you will be writing the date according to the present time. Okay, it will be 18. Okay. Then topic name, lesson number 9. We should write it lesson number 9. Okay, not topic. We should write it lesson. Okay, lesson number 9 it is, and lesson name is My Love for Dora. We will be starting today written work with the words meaning and we will complete word sentences today. Okay. But Emily Leaves Home has already done. Muhammad Ali, we have completed. Emily Leaves Home we have already done. Okay, before winter vacation, the last week was we were having literature work. Okay, literature lectures plus its written work also. Okay, now come to the word next page. You should make 2 columns for words and meanings. Yes, number one word is uncomfortable, and its meaning is not giving comfort or inconvenience. Okay, you have to write both. Anam Zafar, there must be something which you have done wrong. Maybe you have made the summary too lengthy, or maybe there must be some tenses mistakes. Okay, कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होगा. That's why I had given you 14, not total 15. Yes, Ali Jafri, you have to make title page also. Okay, my love for Dora title page will be made. Then at the next page you have to make 2 columns. Okay, Anam Zafar, when your copy will be received, okay, जब मैं receive करूँगी next in this set on this Saturday, so I will see that. Okay, don't worry about that. Yes, Hajra, what is the matter? I haven't received your comment. Hajra, what you are asking? Yes, I hope you all would be writing words and meaning. Number one is uncomfortable, and its meaning is not giving comfort or inconvenience. See the spelling of inconvenience: INCONVENIENCE, inconvenience. Number two is surrounded, it means all around. Okay. Number three is praised. Praised means तारीफ करना, appreciated or admired. Its meaning is appreciated or admired. You can write or also, you can put comma also, or you can put slash also between two same meanings. Okay, if I have defined in two ways, in two words, so you can put comma also, you can use or also. Number four is decided. Its meaning is made a decision. Number five is hesitated. Meaning is did something without confidence. Did something without confidence. Then number six is expressed, means showed. Okay. Number seven is ruined, RUINED. Ruined means spoiled or damaged. Number eight is worried. Worried means sorrowful, फिक्रमंद होना, परेशान होना. Then number nine, appearance. Appearance means the outer look. And number 10 is annoyed. Annoyed means made angry. I hope you all have completed the word meanings. I am giving you 1 minute more. If you haven't completed, you have 1 more minute to complete your words meaning. Then we will switch to word sentences. Okay. If you all have done, just wait for the others. Then we will switch to the next slide. Okay. Now come to the next page and write down this question first. Use the following words in your own sentence. Okay, you have to use these 5 words in your own sentences. Okay, I will ask this sentence with some students so that we should know how you people are alert. The strength is very good today. I am happy that if I am sitting over here for you, you people are also sitting for your own self here in front of the screen in the morning. I hope you all are having all the lectures. It makes teacher happy that you all are very sensible and good students. Muhammad Talha, you want to see this slide? This one? Everybody at the next page make 2 columns for words and sentences. Okay, I will ask Rida Rahim, can you please give me the sentence of number 1, praised? Rida Rahim, can you give me the reply of,
Miss,
yes,
Miss,
praised.
I was praised by my teacher.
Very good, very nice. You can also write this sentence in your own copy. Very nice. Yes, Shafin, are you there? Shafin, can you reply me for number 2? Shafin, can you give me the sentence of number 2? Shafin is not there. Okay, who can give me the sentence of number 2? Expressed. Kindly raise your hand so that I can see that how many people are alert here. Very nice, Asra. Very good sentence. Doctors are praised globally. Yes, Haris Mehboob, you should reply me for number 2, expressed, to show means. Yes, Haris, can you give me the sentence? Haris, can you unmute the mic or you will reply me in the chat box? Okay. I expressed my opinion to my mom. Very good. I expressed my happiness. Zainab, it is incomplete sentence. Okay, complete it by adding something more, like I express my happiness after looking my cousins after a long time. Okay, or I express my happiness in the party. Okay, I express my condolence to my friend. In my condolence. Condolence ko we can make sad feelings. I express my sad feelings. Yeah, I express my feelings to my friends. This can be the sentence proper. Okay, yes, Aisha, can you make sentence of number 3? Appearance. Yes, Aisha, can you give me the sentence of number 3? Haris, very nice. Good sentence it is. She was much too cautious and expressed no interest. Very good. Sentence is very nice. Yes. Aisha Hassan, can you give me the sentence of appearance? The celebrity made a stunning appearance on the show. Very good, Hamza. Very nice. Nice sentence. Annoyed. Who will make the sentence of annoyed? Yes, Sheroz. Can you give me the sentence of annoyed?
Well, I was very annoyed. Miss, can you hear me? I was very annoyed by his
By his
lame excuse. Lame excuse.
lame excuse. Yes, very good. Shabash. Nice sentence.
Miss, I also want to give the sentence of express.
अच्छा दे दीजिए एक्सप्रेस का भी दे दीजिए यस
I express my appreciation.
यस यस शेरोज कंटिन्यू
I express my appreciation towards his idea.
Very good, Shabash, very nice. And his voice had an annoyed edge. Very good, Haris Mehboob. He looks educated by his appearance. I was annoyed by my little sister. Very nice. The man looked annoyed as much as disappointed. Yes. Now give me the sentence of decided as we are running out of time. We are having only 3 minutes. Hurry up, give me the sentence of decided. Yes, Ramla. Ramla, can you give me the sentence of decided?
Miss, I decided that party of New Year.
I have decided the party of New Year. Okay. Okay, fine. Answer is okay. I decided to go for picnic. The cricket team decided to win the tournament this year. Very good. I decided to go for picnic. Very nice sentences. Shabash. Very good. I am happy by your responses and I hope you all have completed these two questions which we have done in the virtual class. I hope you all have completed word meanings also. Okay. And you have all done word sentences also. Okay. Tomorrow we will be having the continuation of written work. But before that, I want to tell you that I have I will be uploading the homework. Okay, question answers homework. It will be uploaded just after the class. Okay, you have to complete that written work also by giving the heading of question answers as we used to do in the physical classes. Okay, with the next page, you have to give the heading of question answers first, and then you have to write down the questions as I have given in the homework. I think 1 till 7 questions I have given you. Okay, and you have to complete all these questions. Then inshallah tomorrow we will meet in the class as we have done today. We will be having same explanation lecture, and then we will be having the written work. Continue with the question number 8. Okay, as question number 7 till you would have completed in the homework. Okay, first you have to complete the assignment. Okay, अगर आप homework नहीं करेंगे, and so how you will be going to start the new written work. Okay, in the next lecture. First you have to complete the homework what I will upload. Okay, today your quiz will be uploaded. Okay, and your this lecture link will be uploaded in the Google Classroom just after the class. Okay, first you have to complete the homework so that you will be able to continue with question number 8. 1 till 7 question I have made. Okay, it will be uploaded. You have to complete that in your copies so that from question number 8 we could continue tomorrow. Inshallah we will meet tomorrow at the same time. Okay, with the continuation of the lecture. Thanks all of you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.